Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In today's video, we will once again take a look at this huge breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and I would also like to show you this recent breakout that is happening on the daily time frame chart from this diamond top pattern that is considered as a bearish bias, but right now you can see that Bitcoin is trying to break out the resistance of this diamond top. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all let me begin with my most recent trade signal of Bitcoin that I shared a few days back on 25th of March 2023 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that Bitcoin formed on the 2-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Then we had another drop, and then we had the bigger pump. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern, and the price line was just entering the buying zone of this guarded pattern on the daily time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line slightly dropped more down below than this potential reversal zone. Then we had a very imminent price recovery, and we had a very nice pump that was, by the way, more than 37% pump on this daily time frame chart. And by the way, I shared this idea on 4th of March 2023 with my members, and before that I shared this harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that Bitcoin formed on a 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started another very nice reversal from this buying zone, and after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again moved down. And I shared this idea, by the way, on 22nd of Feb 2023 with my members. Now let me to take you here on the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that after breaking out a very huge falling wedge pattern, the price line of Bitcoin broke out this very long-term resistance of $25,000. But the real and very long-term and key resistance zone we have here, that starts from $28,600 and goes to $30,000. And you can see for the past 3 weeks or 4 weeks, the price line is struggling to break out this resistance zone, and so far it is not able to do so, not able to break it out. And before that, you can see it was breaking as a support here, and resistance and support here as well. Now if we switch to the smaller time frame chart, then we can see that after this rally, Bitcoin has formed this diamond top pattern, which is technically considered as a bearish bias pattern. But you can see that the price line is breaking out this resistance of the pattern. You can see that the candlestick is moved above the resistance, but still not able to break out this very long-term resistance of $28,600. Therefore, we need to watch out for this resistance. Unless this resistance will be not broken out, it will be really very difficult for Bitcoin to continue its move to the upside even after breaking out this resistance of the diamond top. However, if we take a look at the target for this diamond top after the breakout, the target can be here. That will be approximately at $30,900, and in that situation the price line can completely break out this complete resistance zone from $28,600 to $30,000 on the weekly time frame chart as well. But here on the weekly time frame chart, if we watch Stochastic Oscillator, then there is another bearish signal appeared on this weekly time frame chart. That is a bearish divergence. You can see that the price line formed this high here, and the next high is very obviously higher than the previous high. But if we take a look at the oscillator, the stochastic oscillator, then you can see it is forming slightly lower high than previous high. You can, by the way, watch the values here. The value of this high is 97.55 and value of this high is 96.55. So this is the slightly lower than the previous high. So there is a bearish divergence flashed on this chart. That is another signal that it will be really difficult for the price line to break out this resistance of $28,600. Therefore, we should be very careful, even though we are breaking out this diamond top, but it is possible that we may have another price reversal to the downside. And in case of completely rejected by this resistance zone, Bitcoin can again drop at this long-term support of $25,000. And in case of breaking out this resistance zone, it can hit the target for this huge breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern that is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $70,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.